pumpkin farm. We're at a different pumpkin farm. Where are we at?
We are at Cedarburg Creek Farm.
And they have mini horses.
Can we get up close and personal? Yeah.
It says look only.
Well, what else would you be doing?
Well, it says they are friendly, but they could mistake your fingers for carrots. So don't put your fingers in there. We might have to film some of this on your phone. Look, it's little Sebastian.
Bye bye, little Sebastian. I don't want to be that person, but like, look at all the turds.
You do want to be that person.
Look at the hair. That'll make a nice ponytail.
No.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, let's get in the farm. Let's see what there is to do.
There's a pumpkin.
Giant pumpkin. We're on the hayride.
Hey, you real close.
Hey. Well, it's like super close. Yeah.
You know what's funny about? I have a question.
Hi. I was gonna like do a look like, but you can't even see my around the corner. Guys, no one has on a mask.
No, they don't.
So crazy. Anything else? You have hay in the camera. Why are you touching the hay? I don't have anything else. Let's film the hayride, I guess. Bonfire.
I love bonfires.
Me too. Oh, look at the little carousel train thingy. Oh no, these are birds. Oh no. Yeah, you gotta go in.
I want a picture of a carrot.
This is a pumpkin. Oh, you mean back here? I did not see that. Oh, what are you talking about? Ooh, they have pickles. Oh no, 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 no.
Look at that peacock.
Oh no. If y'all know, I don't do. I hear something that I don't like. Your whole head is like out of the thing though. Ew, look at this one. No, I don't like these.
How come y'all not making no noise? She wants some food.
Hello. Listen, hello.
They're so quiet.
They are quiet. Thank God.
Ow.
I told you not to feed these things.
Don't drop it, Moni. Okay, take it away. Take it away. Okay. Well,
Good job, guys.
you're supposed to let him get a little bite.
Don't go near them. Let's go to the cow. Hello, cow. I love cows.
Oh, look at that little goat.
I don't like the goats. I like the cow. This is a beautiful cow. Oh God, whatever that is. What is that? A pony? A donkey? I don't know. Some llama. The cow is coming back. A little Sebastian. Some more goats. There's the mama grande cow. Yeah, it's really smelly.
No, I don't smell nothing.
I don't know how you don't.
Are you taking a nap?
Alright, you about to just lay down? Why are you dressed? Excuse me, sir. Why are you wearing a coat?
Maybe he's cold.
Oh, okay. No, this is the children of the corn have arrived. Yeah, it's going back in. Are you coming out?
Maybe. Maybe. No.
Turn around.
Drinking.
Drink. That's not enough room for a cow in there. Like,
It's a baby.
that's not enough room. He's like squished. Yay! Hi!
Say hi, baby cow.
Aren't you cute? You are the cutest
So
thing.
cute. I love cows. We're gonna try to do a corn maze. Gotta get tickets. You ready?
I don't know.
Tell them about the hack.
Angelica found this hat.
Or I can tell them.
Yeah, I don't even know what it is, to be honest.
Okay, I found this hack on Tumblr that says if you go in a maze and you keep your right hand pressed against the right wall, you'll get out. So, fingers crossed, we're gonna try it. Okay, we are entering the corner. Let's try it.
She's got her right hand out.
What's that? Yeah. Watch it, don't fall down. There's no wall. We could probably take a picture in here with our mask off.
Oh my gosh, the risk.
Yeah, you're right.
You could do one of those cool camera shake thingies when I say the risk. They didn't give us a friendly, helpful map like they did at the last Creek Farm. So if we die in here,
Don't keep your mask on?
we just die. It's all fun and games in the first 30 seconds.
Okay, we only have 38 minutes. Okay, the people said this corn maze should take 10 minutes. So, let's continue.
We took pictures though, so that doesn't count.
Okay, go. Why are you all the way back there?
I told Mom to go. Stay on the path. This corn maze seems kind of easy. That's not a path.
No. I don't.
So if your right hand is on the right wall, wouldn't you go like this?
And turn back around?
Oh, snap, because it's, oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So keep doing that.
We should have turned off somewhere. I knew that hack wasn't going to work.
It still is working. You just have to turn on.
I suppose. I am still a little skeptical.
Mom, where did she go? I'm right here. No, Millie, it's all the way back there. You have to touch it?
The hack is to keep your right hand on the right wall, so it might help if you touch it.
I'm not holding it. Shut up. I thought it was a dead end again.
Yeah. We have tweens relying on us. We've got to get out of here. Oh, snap. Almost fell.
Let me film a little bit. I was trying to get a clear view of the path. You were supposed to stay behind me.
Wow, come on, dude.
Mom's not getting it. Here's a souvenir that a person was here. Pop candy. And a bag of chips. Oh, Pappy Cat. Get all this. I can't feel my finger. I am leading the way. Yeah. Fallen soldier. Will they keep following us? What if the hack doesn't work and we're just getting more and more lost?
That's what it'll work. I think it'll work.
It's raining. It's raining. kind of creepy.
I feel like all of this is just oh wait, no biscuit. No, I'm about to climb up these stairs, right? Ooh, that's a good picture.
What?
And then go back around. I'm not tall enough to see us out of here.
Alright, come on down. This way, right? Like if we trace it around?
Yeah, we can trace it around.
Let's see. Okay.
But my sock is falling off
In your duck boots.
Duck boots, crack, eating the sock. And I have on knee-high boots. I mean, knee-high socks. So, I don't understand.
I think this is still the path, but like all this. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Whatever.
I've been breathing on that.
Huh, because you're doing too much.
Better put it down while you in here. I gotta have my hand out too.
This hack better work, otherwise I'm so done with Tumblr. Is anybody still on Tumblr? I am.
They're not following us.
Okay, we just twirled around in a circle. Who else wants to film now?
Maybe Moni, not me.
You never
always say you want to. Can I go behind you?
Are you gonna go to the front or no?
No, you got the hat, girl. You go.
I'm gonna have a jacket. We're gonna back around by these stairs again.
Mom, how are we feeling so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah, it hasn't been 10 minutes yet. So.
Well, we took pictures for 5.
That's not on the time though.
Yeah, that's not on the time on the film. It's like, okay.
I know.
We have not been walking in here for 10 minutes. Long story short. Girl, you walking kind of fast.
What's up with you? Your legs don't work today?
No, you going too fast. I feel like I'm running. This is supposed to be casual.
Oh, I thought it was a mission. I thought it was a mission.
This is a good pace, whatever you're going right now. I'm not trying to get my heart rate up that high today.
You should.
Whew, fallen friend.
My fingers are frozen.
I hear some noise in here.
Are we almost out?
We don't know. How do we know if we're almost out?
I just saw something run across here. I hope it was a bird.
Oh my god. If I see a mouse.
Then I'm running. Oh, it sounds like a bird.
Not going that way.
What if we're not getting lost?
We can't see where we're going. Yeah, but be careful. Yeah, that's why I told you to be careful.
Ground is lumpy.
And there's... Yum, dinner, yes. I get it myself, but I don't have thumbs.
My glasses are getting foggy from the rain.
Told you a long time ago to get windshield wipers on those things. We really came all this way just to turn around. Turn around. Turn around. This mask is like invading my nostrils.
That's why I don't like that one.
You see? I picked it out because it's like the warmest one I had.
It just makes me feel like my nose is running. Hopefully that people put that something.
Yeah, I feel like my nose is running too. Don't get lost.
I feel like my nose is running. It's not running.
We all do at this point. It's been 8 minutes that this has been recording, this portion.
This better not be like 45 minutes like last time.
It better not be.
I think we're almost out. I think so.
Okay. Then we can prove if the hack works.
Sounds like we are.
Yeah, it looks like we are. I can see the bouncy house. We made it out in less than 10 minutes.
Yay, we're above average. Woo!
Yay!
So, the hack worked.
Yes,
Thanks
it
to
did. We
Tumblr.
got out, like we said, in 8 minutes, keeping our hand on the right.
Her chin keep coming out of her mask.
Yeah.
That's all the pretty trying to get out.
But at least we have them on.
Yeah. Most people here are not practicing social distance.
At all. We're just on a nature hike, I guess. There's supposed to be some pumpkins somewhere. Like, not that one. So.
Okay.
But that corn maze was like way easier than the one that we did last year.
Well, it was because we knew that.
It was anyway. It's like way smaller than the one we did last year.
But we didn't have
They're
a
over
map
there.
this time.
Yeah, the map
The map
did not
was
have
not it.
What?
I am not a
Casualty.
cartographer
Ah,
by any means.
I can follow a map.
So that
Sure you
map
could.
wasn't it. Like, unless the map has Siri's voice coming from it telling me when to turn left and turn right, I don't know where it's at. Okay, I'm a child of
the 90s.
technology. Oh, this pumpkin's cute. Hold on.
She's not a photographer either.
She is.
You can see that. You guys like my hair? It's giving me switch up my wig, make him feel like he's cheating vibes.
Hey now.
Hey, now, did you get the picture? Yeah. Oh. She's wearing the llama. She wearing her llama coat. Oh, you just flung some hay out onto yourself. That was tucked up in there. Oh, here are the pumpkins to pick yourself. Who wants some pictures in front of the trees? Nobody? Great. Awesome. Where's she going? Is that the path?
So you don't walk through the trees.
Oh, that's the path, but okay. Get on the path.
Walk through the trees.
Stay on the path. You would have been so saucy if I didn't have a camera on you.
I do that all the time with complete and utter confidence that you're filming me. Come on. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. What's that pumpkin doing over there? All around me are familiar faces. So I'm gonna save my pumpkin for later. That's the one I want. I wanted to take like some cute like pictures where I could use my pumpkin captions, but look what is out here.
It is desolate.
It is desolate. She is giving me dry.
This pumpkin patch has no edges.
No, this one has her edge is gone.
Is it low? There's one. Yeah, hello there. Someone tried to eat you already.
What if at least you don't look like them? Probably something inside of it when you flip it around. I don't play with animals. What about this one?
This one's good.
Oh, what about that one? That one used to be cute.
That's a big apple.
Not anymore.
Maybe if we go. What about those over that way?
No, that looks ugly though.
But you got the fall trees in the back.
Fall trees. They're like mostly green.
Nothing.
Nothing as far as the eye can see.
Brown.
Oh, they're over there. There are pumpkins over there.
Let's go over there.
With all the people.
Okay, well,
And the virus.
they better move out my way.
What if I just start saying like, hey, hey, like twerking my tongue out? Would they leave?
Or call the police on Miss, can I have your phone?
Is that Nicki Minaj?
Yes. Can you for this?
Every day people mistake me for Beyonce.
Every day somebody thinks I'm Beyonce. You don't.
What you look like is Luther Vandross. What's up with y'all not wearing no masks? comment down below. Are you wearing a mask?
Ew, look at that one.
Because I know I am. These little lumpy ones.
Ew, I don't like that.
Something's in it. Something's in it. This one has been shot. It stink out here. It's very stinky. Do y'all smell that? It smells like dirt. Yeah. We are not. Well, it's some cute ones down there. Come on. He got a wagon full of pumpkins.
He probably took all the good ones.
See, I can take a picture right here. This is enough pumpkins right here.
Probably do it this way.
No.
No, just start talking.
Okay.
We're leaving, guys.
Oh, I don't want to go.
So do we give this pumpkin farm a thumbs up, a thumbs in the middle, or a thumbs down? I give it a thumbs in the middle. Yeah, 3 thumbs in the middle. Not as fun as Jim's.
No, maybe
but it's
we'll
cool
check.
that they have animals, though.
Yeah.
We might go back to Jim's.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
Bye.